Hello my listeners. Today we will discuss about how can we have hope in the darkest days of life. Darkness and light both coexist in our lives. When we focus on the darkness, we find reasons to be sad. And when we focus on the light, we become hopeful. When things turn unfavorable, causing problems with your relationships, health, or finances, it can seem like the end of hope. Instead of focusing on what is working against us at the moment, we need to focus on what is working in our favor. There are always reasons to be hopeful and happy. Staying alive is one of the biggest gift of the God. You just need to appreciate it in order to be optimistic. So, be happy, be loving, be caring, and be humble. Have a great day. God bless you all.